This video is on page 5 and it is example number 2, a cooking cheat sheet. It says in the back of a recipe book, a diagram provides easy conversions to use while cooking. Conversions might be an unfamiliar word for you. Conversions is related to the word convert, and which means to change. So in this case, like say a recipe told you that you needed to have a certain amount of ounces, but you didn't know how to measure that. This helps you with how many cups that would be. So in this case, we've got the half cup is 4 ounces, and 1 cup is 8 ounces, and 1.5 cups is 12 ounces, 2 cups is 16 ounces. So looking down here, to give you a hint, they say the ounces blank the cups. We're trying to figure out, are the ounces proportional to the cups, or are the ounces not proportional to the cups? So we're looking for ounces, that's the abbreviation for ounces, to cups. So we're going to take the information in this chart and create our ratios according to our learning target. We write ratios to determine whether we have a proportional relationship. So we've got ounces. We're not going to use the 0, 0, but we've got 4 ounces over a half a cup. We have 8 ounces over 1 cup. We have 12 ounces over 1.5 cups, and we have 16 ounces over 2 cups. And then you could use your calculator to help you with those calculations. Remember that 1/2 is really 0.5. So 4 divided by 0.5. Whoops, my calculator's not turning there. Okay, I think that calculator has died. We'll go to this one. 4 divided by 0.5 gives you 8. I don't need to put this one in my calculator. I know that 8 divided by 1 equals 8. 12 divided by 1.5 equals 8. And 16 divided by 2 also equals 8. So what we just discovered here, this was 4 ounces and 0.5 cups, is that that would be 8 ounces per cup. And the same thing for all of these, 8 ounces per cup, 8 ounces per cup, 8 ounces per cup. That's called our unit rate. We can also use that number that we just found as a multiplier. So if I look up here and I see I've got this half times 8 equals 4. I can try that on my calculator. Half times 8 equals 4. I can do 1 times 8 and get 8. 1.5 times 8 equals 12. And 2 times 8 equals 16. So that 8 down here, that unit rate that we got every time, is also a multiplier. So at this point, what we can say is, because we had the same multiplier each time, or we had the same unit rate each time, the ounces are proportional to the cups. And then our other learning target was to be able to explain how we know that. So we're going to add a because here. And we have 2 different ways. I'm going to use bullets there. And when it comes to an assessment, you just have to be able to tell me one of them. The ounces are proportional to the cups because there is the same unit rate every time. In this case, it was 8. Have the same unit rate each time. And that unit rate was 8. Or you could say there's the same multiplier, which is 8. there is a constant multiplier, number that's getting multiplied by one of the values to get the other one. And that was also 8. And we have determined whether this information was proportional, and we have also explained it.